Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download Telegram wallet on your mobile phone. First of all, you need to open the Play Store or App Store, and in the search, you need to type Telegram. First of all, you need to download the Telegram app on your mobile phone, and then once you will install it, you need to open it. After you will open the Telegram, you need to go to the search and just type wallet inside the search and click the search button. You will see the first result, which is just wallet. Click it and click the start button. Then you need to click open wallet. You need to agree to these terms and click continue. Then click let's go. And that's all guys, we just opened Telegram wallet. We can start using our Telegram crypto wallet. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.